again in the R Turbo. We got the usual speedometer, this time in miles per hour. We got me, passenger. It's about 7 in the morning, I just woke up. And following behind us is the Yellow Bird, which if you look kind of closely, you can't fucking see it. But I'll say no. At some point it'll show up. But we're going on the Autobahn and we're going to have some fun. That was 199 on the GPS. Has to be funny though. No. It's also brought to you by Stelium. Stelium.